take my vitamins every single day, twice a day. When I was a kid, my mom used to make me take those little Flintstone vitamins every single day. I take these vitamins twice a day, a morning pack and an evening pack. It's here. The morning pack has 2 multivitamins, an omega-3, a vitamin D, and a vitamin C. The evening pack has all of that minus the vitamin C because you only need to take 1 a day. Too much vitamin C can do a number on your tummy. I was curious if it was worth it or not for me to keep taking these. Is it worth it? Am I basically overdosing on vitamins and just washing them out of my system? I want to say a quick thank you to Let's Get Checked for sponsoring my channel. If you're interested in checking out Let's Get Checked, I'd like you to use my link below because then you get 20% off of your first order. It's trylgc.com/Sarah Marie Fitness. Let's Get Checked labs are CLIA approved and CAP accredited. So they have the highest level of recommendation. This has been an amazing opportunity that I've really enjoyed being a part of. It's been very simple and easy to check everything and make sure my blood levels are where they're supposed to be so that I can live long despite all of that. I partnered with Let's Get Checked and wanted to test and see if the vitamins I was taking were worth it. I ordered 2 different tests. I have to take them in the morning on a Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday morning. That way I can ship them off ASAP to Let's Get Checked for them to test them, and then they'll get me the results back. The order was really easy to place, which I did on June 15th, and then it came in the mail on June 27th, and I didn't realize that I was supposed to take the test in the morning. Can you tell it's close to 4th of July? So I'm going to take it tomorrow morning, which is a Tuesday morning. Oh, free rubber band out of the deal, right? So I ordered 2 different tests. I downloaded the app. So what you have to do is you have to go into the app and you have to activate your test. And then you have to take your test and then ship it to them. It gives you a little card that has your activation code on it. It takes you through step by step. A lot to read. I gotta do a finger prick. Secret about me, I don't do well with needles. Here's the little test tube, just like when you go to the doctor's office and they take your blood. So this one is the basic vitamin test. I wanna see if, my multivitamin is like doing its job. But I have noticed that sometimes my energy is down and that can be a sign of a low B vitamin level. And that's why I wanted to take this. This is the other test. So this one's another blood sample that I'm gonna have to take in the morning. This one is for my thyroid. I wanna make sure that it's on the up and up, that all of those enzymes are there that are supposed to be there. Make it pretty easy. Wash your hands, take the test, send it off. I don't go to the doctor. I take vitamins every day. I take supplements. I make sure I eat healthy so that I don't have to go to the doctor. Different things set it off. Maybe something's not quite right. You want to get some blood work done. Let's Get Checked is a wonderful company to check out because it is something that you can do from the safeness, security, and comfort of your own home. See, I gotta make sure that I'm around long enough to keep these guys alive and not let them kill themselves with fireworks.
Firecrackers.
Firecrackers. You're not gonna be in here for this, are you?
For what?
Pricking my finger.
No, guys, there's some things I'm willing to do. That's not one of them.
Oh, that didn't hurt. This is taking forever. I've seriously been in here for 20 minutes. Oh, and it's clotting again. I'm on my 2nd finger. Finger number 1, number 2, and number 3. So close, but yet still so far. I can officially say I have put blood sweat and tears into my YouTube channel. And now I got a mess to clean up and the blood sample to pack up. I'll do the other one tomorrow morning because it actually took me like over half an hour to collect that sample.
So it's Wednesday morning and you're supposed to test on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday morning. And all 3 of my good fingers on my non-dominant hand are hurting. So I am not going to test today. I'm going to wait until next Monday morning to take my other test,
which is the thyroid plus test. I got a text message late last night from Let's Get Checked showing that my results were in. So I thought I'd check them this morning and see what they are. As you can see, they're actually really good. I was kind of concerned about my thyroid health because I'm always so cold. I was really impressed because when I activated the test, they asked me quite a few questions about my health and gave me opportunity to ask the nurse if there was anything else that I wanted to talk about. One of the questions it asked me was whether or not I was cold all the time, which I am. I've not been diagnosed with any sort of thyroid issues in the past. Is everything okay? Am I just not acclimated to the cold? And it turns out that's the problem. I'm just not acclimated to the cold because all of my thyroid levels are totally fine. My first test that I took was the vitamin test, and I have not got the results. Well, I got the results back from that as well. And it turns out that I took too long to take the test and my blood clot too fast, and that didn't work. So when I got the email stating that they weren't able to get any results, they offered to send me a new test for free. They also offered me some advice on how to take the test better so that when I took the thyroid test, I didn't have any issues like I did in the past. And it actually went a lot better. It was faster and my fingers didn't hurt so bad afterwards. It's really nice that I don't have to sit at a doctor's office and go through that uncomfortable visit. This way I got to test in the privacy of my own home. In summary, I highly recommend using Let's Get Checked. And don't forget, you can use my code for 20% off. Try lgc.com/Sarah Marie Fitness.